Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? So you already know we're doing an eyebrow tutorial, and I'll be using a brow pomade, as you can see, to draw my brow instead of using a pencil. And it came with this sharp brush, and I'm just using the tip to outline my brow first of all before filling it in. I think this is one of the brows that is trending the most right now on Instagram. So if you ever wondered how it's done, please keep watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions for me, and I'll get right to it. Okay. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just drawing light strokes, like tiny strokes, in the same fashion with which my brow hairs would normally go. So I'm just following it, and I'm going back and forth to fill in any open spaces, and I'm using that same spoolie to brush the hairs down. I think some people just need to leave the top part, to have this feathery feel, but I don't want that. I still want to outline the top of the brow like a normal eyebrow would look. Yeah. And I'm going to further fill in any open spaces. So to highlight, I'll be using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer in shade 4 and this Bobbi Brown angled brush. And I'm not using a lot of concealer, if you notice, just very little, so I don't mess up the lines that I already have there, basically. Okay, so after that, I'm just drawing excess concealer down, and then I'm using my hands to just blend it out. And I'm going to go ahead and add some more concealer to the brow bone because I want that area to be super highlighted and further straighten the line. For the top of my brows, I'll be using this foundation that's close to my skin tone to clean up the brow. So now I'll be using the leftover concealer on my brush to further separate the brow hairs so it'll be looking more natural. And yeah, that's the way it's done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I have new videos up. Okay, good stuff. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.